If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe for more videos about family, travel, and film. My name is Angelo, and thanks for watching. So this was our final weekend with our foster dog, and I have to admit that saying goodbye was really hard. All right, it's Mila's last day. She's headed off. We're gonna miss you, baby. We're gonna miss you so much. We're gonna miss you. Have a good life, Kay. We are shopping for a new dog bed today because our foster dog, Mila, who just left this weekend, she destroyed Baxter's bed. We were at Starbucks and the guy asked us if he wanted a puppuccino. And it's just whipped cream, and Baxter's been such a good boy.
Puppuccino, Baxter. Good stay, Baxter. Good stay.
Wow. As much as I'll miss Mila, I know the three of us were really excited to have our family back. To celebrate, I went out and bought ingredients to make one of our favorite dishes, seafood spaghetti. This is something we ate almost every day in Italy. I'll leave a link in the description to a recipe that I found was really simple and really tasty. I really do recommend it and hope you'll try it. I just put the cherry tomatoes and parsley and lime juice into this pot of seafood, and it looks really, really good. I am so excited to eat this. That's my vlog for the weekend. I hope you were enjoying yours. Until next time, my name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.
Hey babe, can you help me? I'm trying to find a glove to open this oyster thing. It's so hard.